Hello everyone. Today I am going to show the demo of how to execute servlet program using Tomcat Webserver. For that I need to have my servlet program. So this is my servlet program. So simple servlet program. So I need to import the package called java.io.star, then servlet.http.star. So my class name is demo serve. I am extending from the HTTP servlet. I am using this do get method. So I am having one request object and response object. Is there any error? Throws the IO exception. So print writer. So out object. So response dot get writer. So this is simple HTML code, that is out dot println HTML tag, then head. When I am executing the program, it will give the title called servlet program, then closing the head tag, body, and welcome to the servlet programming. So this is the output I am supposed to expect. So closing the body tag and closing the HTML tag. Then once I have typed this program, I have to save this particular program in a folder. So C:, so I have to locate program files. So this is my program files. In the program files, so this is Apache Software Foundation. So this is my Tomcat Web Server. Under the Tomcat Web Server, so select the folder called lib. So save the particular program as demo serve.java. All files option. So save this particular program. So already exists, so I am giving yes. Now I need to compile this particular program. So to compile the program, so type command command prompt. So I need to change the directory. So cd program files, cd Apache Software Foundation, cd Tomcat 10.1, that is my Tomcat web server name. So Tomcat 10.1 and cd lib. So from here I need to compile the program. To compile this servlet program, I need to type the command java c space hyphen class path space within double quotes servlet hyphen api dot jar. So this is the file you require to compile the servlet program. So java c hyphen class path servlet hyphen api dot jar space your file name demo serve dot java. So if no error is coming means you should understand the program is successfully compiled. So I will show in this particular folder you have the servlet.api.jar. This PC C:, program files, then Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 10.1, then you have lib, you can see here this particular jar file servlet-api.jar. So once you have compiled the program, it will create a class file that is demo serve.class. So copy this particular file demo serve.class and go to the bin folder. So Tomcat 10.1, go to the bin folder and go to the web apps folder. So go to that root folder. After the root, you have a file called or folder called web-inf. This is a folder created by the user. So there you need to create another folder and copy this particular file called demoserve.class. So I already copied it here. Then you need to create another file called web.xml. So in the web-inf folder, you need to have one folder and another XML file called web.xml file. So that web.xml file will contain the information about the servlet. So this is the notepad. You can see here web app servlet tag, name of the servlet, it is called demo serve, then close the servlet name, then servlet class is equal to demo serve, again closing the servlet class tag, then servlet tag, then servlet mapping. Here you need to mention the name of the servlet, that is called demo serve, again servlet name you have to close it, then URL pattern. So you have to put the again the demo serve class name, don't forget you have to put the slash before the demo serve the class name, then closing the URL pattern, then closing the servlet mapping tag, then closing the web app tag. So you have to save this particular file in the under the web-inf with the file name called web.xml. XML file. So select all files option and you just click save. So already saved. So now next step is you have to start the Tomcat web server. To start the Tomcat web server, go to that Apache Software Foundation folder, Tomcat 10.1, go to the bin folder and click this startup. So if you are getting all this information in the command prompt, means you should assume that the Tomcat web server is running. So this window should be idle. Then now your Tomcat web server is running. Now what you have to do is you have to check whether your web server is running or not. Open the browser and type the URL http :/localhost :8080. So if you are getting this information about Apache Tomcat 10.1, this cat icon, all these things, if you are getting this information, means you understand that the servlet is running. So after that, to execute your servlet program, what you have to do is, so we are given the name as demo serve.java. So now you have to open the browser and type the URL http :/localhost : 8080, that is a port number, / your servlet name, or servlet name is demo serve. So demo serve, just press enter. So welcome to the servlet programming. So this is the expected output from the simple servlet. So demo servlet, welcome to the servlet program is the expected output, and when we are executing the servlet program, the title should be servlet program. You can see in the browser, it is there in the as a title, servlet program. So that's it, that is the output for this servlet program. Thank you so much.